I always get asked this question. Pwede po bang mag-apply or mag-VA na while preggy? Manganganak na siya sa July. Congratulations, girl. Some clients, baliwala sa kanila kung preggy ka. It's just that their main concern, usually ito, is that they will train you. It'll take you about 2 weeks to a month to learn the process. Pagkatapos, after 1 month ulit, around June, mag-leave ka na, June, July, mag-leave ka na, and then how long will it take you to get back? Syempre, may adjustment period pa rin with the baby on board. Taray, on board! And then, of course, they would want you to take a rest pagka anak mo. Then, they would have to find someone else and train them to cover yung may iwan mo for a couple of weeks. Although, ganito, meron akong trainee last year, preggy din siya noon, nag-apply na siya eh. Tatanungin ko nga yun. But, ang pagkakaintindi ko ganito ha, nag-apply na siya, pagkatapos, bumalik lang siya dun sa client niya after niyang manganak. The position was for an appointment setter, so hindi ganun ka rami yung kailangan pag-aralan. And then she was working with a team na able to cover for her naman while she gives birth and magpahinga ng onte. Tapos, and again, Mari, hindi ako sure dito ha, kasi yun yung pagkakaintindi ko kasi ang cute ng baby niya ngayon. Tatanungin ko siya kung ano nangyari and I'd probably put a part 2 dito. Bakit pa tayo magpa-part 2? May time pa tayo. Tatanungin ko sa chat. Hold on. Eto, reply niya, Mami. So, she was 3 months pregnant when she applied. Pagkatapos, nagpaalam siya magbabakasyon kasi manganganak na siya. Pagkatapos, binigyan siya ng 1 month leave ni client. Hindi naman daw siya nag-request. Feeling yata ni Bes, pagka-iri mo na dyan, bata na siya. But I did ask her permission if I can share her story. Kasi napaka-motivated nitong batang to. Tapos na-attend siya ng training, nag-upskill siya. Sorry, maingay, naglalakad-lakad na tayo. I think ultimately, my main concern ngayon para sa inyo is that even if you already have clients, nakaanak kayo, enjoy motherhood. Best gift ever. Comment any questions you guys have about working from home, follow from or work from home chismis. Bye!